Hello and welcome to our virtual exhibition. My name is Stefan Bongartz and I would like to introduce a new machine. This is our floor saw MULTICUT 570. It's a diesel machine with 57 horsepower and stage 5, the highest category. So when you purchase this machine, you are safe for the future. The machine weighs 765 kilos, which is a lot, but as you can see, it's very easy to maneuver, and you're pushing down with your weight on the machine, saving your back, so which is very good for the operator because he can't hurt his back. Visibility of the machine when working is excellent. You can see the blade while you're cutting, and we have a pointer which is very compact for transportation, but very easily can be adjusted into the operating position. The machine comes standard with right hand or left hand cutting, and that means you have on both sides identical flanges. We have 3 different sizes of blade guards: 500mm, 800mm and 1000mm, and on all blade guards you can open the front and produce overcuts. The machine comes standard with a 4-gear gearbox, and we cover a range of 800 RPMs up to 2800 RPMs, and the settings can very easily be done with 2 knobs which you can put in different positions to achieve different RPMs on the blade. Let's talk about the operating panel. Everything is in clear view of the operator and very easy to operate. The main lever is our joystick, which you push forward to move the machine forwards or backwards to reverse the machine. There are 2 buttons integrated for raising the machine out of the cut or lowering the machine into the cut. And the speed of raising and lowering can be set by this valve. This is the accelerator for the motor. You have here the idle speed and here the fast speed to give maximum power onto the saw blade. This is the ignition key, this is the e-stop, and here we have a parking brake where you can either pull this when you're parking the machine somewhere on the job site or when it's parked on your trailer for transportation. This is the fuel tank, and it has a separate fuel gauge so that you always know how much is left in the tank. With this central display you can see different temperatures of the machine, of the oil, of the motor, and you also have an indicator for the operating hours. For transportation of the machine we have several possibilities. We have 2 crane hooks so that you can load or unload the machine with a crane, and we have these hooks as well, plus openings here in the frame so that you can secure the machine on your trailer or in your mini truck. Finally, we have an adjustment of the machine to facilitate straight cutting. This is an adjustment screw here. When we are cutting on the right hand side, the machine is pulling to the right hand side, and we can offset the rear axle so that the machine is cutting straight. When we're cutting on the left hand side, the machine is pulling to the left, and then again we can adjust the rear axle here so that the machine is pulling straight and the operator doesn't have to work so hard.